This is a single leg box squat using a mini band. Band selection here can be the 12-inch kiddie band all the way to the 12-inch lion band. Band placement can be above the knees or below the knees. Programming for this exercise is 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. The programming goal here is to focus on a safe, controlled descent, increase balance and core stability, as well as increase unilateral leg strength. Muscles that are targeted here are the glutes, hamstrings, quads, and hip abductors. Find a box or bench that is knee height and place it behind you about half a foot length. Test the distance of the box by trying to sit on it with both legs prior to starting this exercise. You can use a wooden dowel to assist you in balancing yourself, as you see here. Raise one leg off the ground 6 to 12 inches and push the dowel firmly into the floor. Pull the elevated leg away from the center and push the grounded leg outward away from the mini band. Descend toward the box by first pushing your hips back, then bending your knees. Keep both legs separated by pushing them out against the mini bands. Lower the hips until the glutes gently touch the box, or descend as low as you can safely. Move back to the starting position, that is 1 rep.